Our planet is constantly changing. And while mountains may seem like immovable giants, they are actually in a constant state of evolution. Some are even still growing. But how fast? And how do we even know? The answers may surprise you. What does it mean for a mountain to grow? Mountains are formed by the movement of tectonic plates, massive sections of Earth's crust that collide, slide under, or move away from each other. This process, called orogeny, can take millions of years. Some mountains grow due to tectonic forces, others because of volcanic activity. And while most rise just a few millimeters per year, there are some exceptions. The fastest growing mountains in the world. One of the most extreme cases is Mount St. Helens in the United States. After a devastating eruption in 1980, a new lava dome began forming in its crater, growing at a rate of up to 16 feet per day. However, this is a special case caused by volcanic activity. Among tectonically formed mountains, Nanga Parbat in Pakistan stands out. It grows at approximately 0.3 inches per year, which is one of the fastest rates recorded for such a large mountain. The Himalayas are similarly active, as the Indian plate continues to push against the Eurasian plate, lifting the entire region, including Mount Everest. Wait a minute, how do we measure a mountain's height? You may wonder, how can we even tell a mountain is growing? Measuring mountain heights has a long and fascinating history. In the 18th and 19th centuries, trigonometric measurements were used. By using angle measurements and mathematics, height was calculated based on distance and line of sight. One of the most significant projects was the Great Trigonometrical Survey of India, launched by the British in 1802. Thanks to this effort, the height of what is now Mount Everest, then known as Peak 15th, was first calculated in 1852. Indian mathematician Radhanath Sikdar estimated its height at 8,840 meters, just a few meters short of today's official figure. And today, we use GNSS systems like GPS, capable of measuring height with centimeter-level precision. We also have LiDAR laser scanning from drones and satellites that generates detailed 3D models of the terrain. And of course, gravimetric and optical geodesy is used for official reference measurements. Everest, the mountain that changed height. Mount Everest has long been seen as a geological constant. But it too grows and changes. For example, the 2015 earthquake in Nepal caused tectonic shifts that may have altered the mountain's height. The most recent official measurement, conducted jointly by China and Nepal in 2020, confirmed Everest's height at 29,031.7 feet. And how did it get its name? The mountain was originally known as Peak 15th. When it was identified in 1852 as the highest point on Earth, British surveyor Andrew Waugh proposed naming it after his predecessor, George Everest, the Surveyor General of India. Ironically, George Everest never saw the mountain in person and even objected to having it named after him. Nevertheless, in 1865, the name Mount Everest was officially adopted, and it remains to this day. Why is a mountain's height never final? It's important to understand that mountain height changes not only due to growth, but also due to erosion, wind, water, ice, and gravity all gradually wear down mountain peaks. So even as some mountains grow, they are also partially being worn away. It's a constant battle between constructive forces and destructive ones. Mountains are not eternal or static. They are dynamic structures that rise, fall, crack, and shift. From the days when we measured height with telescopes and paper, we've come all the way to satellites tracking millimeter-scale movements. And thanks to this, we now know which mountain is growing the fastest and that the Earth never truly sleeps. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more mind-blowing facts.